guys, welcome back to another video. So this is gonna be a super long vlog, like, yeah, it's gonna be really long. So I'm going to the farm today, and we're leaving on Sunday and we're going today. And something really exciting just happened. My guinea pig, I figured out that she was pregnant 2 days ago and thought she had ages, but guess who just had babies? You cannot see anything, but I will put some pictures of them. Yeah, so that's really exciting, and I'm still going to the farm. My dad is gonna look after them. So now I have to pack. I'm pretty much done packing, and then we're gonna go. I'm pretty sure I'm getting picked up in... Hello? Okay, phone doesn't want to work. I don't know when I'm getting picked up. I'm getting picked up at like 5:30 or 6. Then we have to go pick up a ton of other people. And yeah, so I'm just really excited about that, and I'm gonna finish packing now. Then we're going to be vlogging, we're going to horse shows tomorrow, and a rodeo and a fair, so it's going to be good. So we're currently at the farm. I don't really know what they're doing.
I can't make it.
You have to change emotion every time I open my legs. That sounds really weird, but okay. No.
Can I like pull you up? Hey, give me your arm. Give me your arm. Oh, I had something in it.
Any content?
No, I'm gonna hide under the bed with Julie. With me.
Wow. Welcome back to Saturday morning. So what time is it, Megan? Because Bridget broke my watch.
Oh, did she? How did you break your watch?
She put it on the floor. In fact, ate it, I think.
Oh. 6:47.
Yeah, it's 6:47, and I think we're going to see horse shows at like 9. And then tonight we're going to a rodeo, and I don't have any money, so that's gonna be fun because there's a show.
Rodeo.
Did it?
Yeah, I think so. I think they're doing like something else instead of it.
Oh, well, we're going to see something. Oh yeah, I need to give you guys a life update. At the end of the year, I'm moving to Mundaring, so that's shit, but like, yeah. Which is like really far away from where I live and like everything in the world and horse riding, so good stuff. Oh, the pigeons are a bit tame. Did you? Shut up, Megan.
Look at this majestic pigeon.
Into the magical house of Joey's.
Look at the mommy of these.
Is it even on?
Look at the baby.
Oh, baby. Oh, it is. Oh, are you a bit cold? I think like 400. We're here. Alpacas.
Like 300. Look at it. It's like, it's like
The baby's head looks really... They didn't do it. Baby! Is it going to spit at me? It's called Aussie!
oh, how cute is that? I think we found the possum.
It's trying to eat.
Mom, did you see the possum? I did see the possum.
Oh my god.
So cute.
It's all fluffy.
Are you okay, the little one?
It's failing.
No, yeah, I wonder because that's what they need, but don't wait for that. It looks really happy. It looks like the same. Gorgeous. Now all the pretty colours come. Seriously? Beautiful. It's mainly.
Oh my god. Yeah, we just saw like some miniature horses, but It wasn't, they were just kind of abusing them. Okay, so when I say this, I don't mean that they were like beating their horses and stuff, but I think that some of the handlers knew absolutely nothing about horses, and some of them actually knew what they were doing, but there was a couple which were a bit like, what are you doing? And some of them didn't even know the horses' names, and it just sort of pissed me off a little bit, but anyway, yeah, that's just my opinion, so yeah. Horses, they're ponies, and yeah, anyway, that's, you know, their thing, whatever. And now we're going to do stuff at the fair thing and actually go on rides and stuff. Let's see some chickens. Chicken! Ah, what is this?
They run. That's so funny.
Look at its brainy head. Cow shows, yeah. Cows. They're like, no.
They've got like, oh my god, they've got like sharp, look at the ends of those lunch whips.
Oh my god.
Look at the ends of the lunch whips. Oh. That one's really sharp.
This is a sleepy cow. Oh my god, they're so squished.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like, no, don't you touch
Oh my
me.
god, feel its face.
Yeah, one down south, yeah.
Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like, yes.
Oh, darling. Look at its eye. It was so cute.
That poor other one is like, can't even put its other leg down, look.
Yeah.
It's so squished.
This is not what seems at all. Like horizontal. That's having fun.
I think I'm gonna get.
Oh shit. Okay.
I hate when it stops suddenly. That's the worst part. When it's just like,
Because your momentum.
yep, up there she goes.
Come on!
Oh my god, still on, what?
We're back from the fair now, and it's really hot, and she got an extremely large amount of lollies. Yeah, here's some lollies that we got. And more lollies, and Julia. Oh, what just happened?
It already has. You're slapping at the glass.
Oh my god, it pooped.
Oh no, I dropped it on its tail.
Oh, why did you drop it on his tail?
I did, I was moving it.
Oh,
That or it broke its wing.
I'm sorry.
Let me
Apologies.
just see if he'll eat that. He doesn't trust you.
Wait. Here.
I
Here.
think it's a little.
So we're going to have our chicken taming business. If you guys would like to buy our chickens, they're only going to be $6,000 for a chicken. $5,999 if you pre-order right now.
It's not a happy chicken.
Just leave it.
That's some chicken. Oh yeah, that's mine. Don't touch my feather. Yeah, so chicken hypnotizing 101.
It's like 6 steps.
How many have we got?
Swear this is chicken abuse. Chicken, what are you trying to do? He's trying to escape. No.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I think it's trying. Oh, okay.
Excuse me, can you go back to your herd? Wait, wrong way.
Can I charge an animal?
What? They're just hopping through. Oh, all of our hard work. Oh no.
Are you videoing?
Yeah. Oh my God! What? They pushed it open. They pushed it open. Oh no! Everyone's escaped from time. No!
Open it.
No! Another two just escaped. Chicken.
Okay. Video. Sorry. The No.
How to hypnotize a chicken.
It just went, I give up. That one. Like, here.
Okay, before I get hate for this, I was not holding the chicken's head very tight at all. And tons of people do this, like professional people do this. It's not cruel unless you do it the wrong way. So yeah, don't hate on my chicken hypnotizing, guys.
Okay.
Didn't get to click.
This one was so hard to get.
Race chicken versus Sidel. Who's gonna win?
Don't scare these guys.
Oh, okay.
Quick, someone go down there. Down there. Quick.
Are there peacocks in there?
Got it.
Hey, here's our herded chickens. This was not done with abuse. This was done with loving, tender care.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, there's a few more we can get first. Slip.
No, they won't. They'll just fly off the end. Hang on, tender, loving care, Lizzie. This is going on YouTube.
I'm sorry, chicken.
Good chickies.
Oh, they're so.
Sidel, don't go in the middle. Sidel.
I've walked along here before.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh. They did it.
So we're going to be pranking Elizabeth's mum. We've got we're pretending that someone's committed suicide. Also, this is not doing anything against suicidal people. It's just a funny joke. Like, don't get mad at me. So here's the fake blood, and also like we know that suicide people isn't a joke and stuff. But like, don't come at me for this, please. Tons of people do like death pranks and stuff. Okay, good. Okay, so here's the scene. There we go. Okay, Chad, you have to get ready to scream, okay?
Tell me when to.
Yeah, when she does the loud noise. So, we had a rough failure. We failed at everything in life, and yeah, that was rough. No, she didn't even believe us, and then Lizzie laughed, so it would kind of failed, but I don't think she believed us anyway. I think it looked pretty realistic to me, but it was just more the situation. Margaret, you could have faked it. Sorry. Just found this, the lady here, she rescues baby animals, or old animals, mostly joeys, and we found a joey who she brought up, and he has a massive, and he's still quite young, he has a massive gash in his leg, both of his legs. One is filled with maggots. We put him in a pouch and brought him back to the house, and now we're waiting for the lady to come back. She was at the fair with her kangaroos, and yeah, so the kangaroo is not doing well, and it also has a joey who's like just a pinky, which is like a really young one. Oh, baby.
I'm never eating rice again.
I can put my boots on.
Oh my god, did you just see that?
What?
Oh my god. Oh. It's like bubbling.
Ew. No, it's not.
That is maggots, you guys.
Yeah, no kidding.
Are they coming out? Yes.
You can't really tell what it is on the camera.
Much better view.
Well, at least they're not going back in.
There is no peahen. It's a bucket. It's a bucket.
Look at the fluff on its back.
What are you doing with your life?
I don't. What? It's the name,
Your
it's the name of the
tailbone.
bone.
I don't think a fly's gonna affect.
Because at least the flies could.
As you do. Come behind the feathers with me. I'm gonna touch his butt. They look so fluffy. Oh. It's like, what's this? You're behind me. So it's nighttime now, and we just made some s'mores of well, they had like chocolate and marshmallow and biscuit, as you meant to, but I had some good bread and Vegemite s'mores. They were good. Yeah, so now we're gonna go play Spotlight. So yeah, it's Saturday morning, and we have to go and what are we doing?
We're gonna go help Anne with the tomato.
We're gonna go help with tomatoes, and then we get to feed baby Joey's. And then are we going down to the valley?
Yeah.
And then we're going down to like the valley that we went to last time. If you watched that last vlog, if you didn't, you should go watch it because you should. Yeah, so good stuff. Okay, so we were gonna go to the farm, like across the road, and do some tomatoes, something with the tomatoes, but turns out 4 baby Joeys are coming now. So we had to cancel that, 4 more, and she already has 4 and they're all out, so I thought I'd just show you guys because they're really cute.
Back to back.
There you go. Hello.
It's Daddy and you're
Oh, she's so good.
Look how still. Oh, there's an ant. Rescue that ant.
Rescue the ant.
Put a bit of straw and hay in there.
Yep, there we go. Got it.
Here we go. I had a Joey came in once. In the mother's pouch for probably a couple of.
Oh my gosh, look how many ticks are in
Hang
there
on,
now.
sweetheart. Here's one.
The maggots. I'll give this to Mum for her birthday.
I'll leave you alone for a while. I don't want to stress you. I'm just going to put some more of this on.
So bad.
Look at the video. Gross.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
at the bottom. There was another huge one as well.
I just want to like push them out.
Well,
Just want them all to fall out.
and die.
Oh, there they are. Oh, that's gross.
Whoa.
So happy.
He's like, I brought you another one.
It's missing
Oh yeah.
This has got to stop.
Can we take it out?
Let's just leave them for Anne. Let's just leave them for
Thanks, Megan.
We're like.
What? She's giving her elder a seat. You're a young one, Megan. I have old bones. Don't know what that's from.
Probably for my claws.
So I've just gotten back from the farm. It's 4:40 now, and yeah, so the farm was really fun. And guess what? All the baby guinea pigs are fine. Got this set up because I'm gonna let them have a run after I've checked on the animals. There's Mama having a drink, and her baby is not letting her. And there's the other baby, and there's the other one. If you want to see, oh Jesus, we don't want to be that zoomed in. Yeah, so if you want to see like updates on the babies and stuff, more than just weekly in my vlogs, because you will be getting updates in the vlogs, guys, you will be, then go and follow my pet account. It's called My Unusual Family, and yeah, you can see all my cute pets on there. The babies will be on there, and that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching.